This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. My finger accidentally got onto something. I turned the camera off, so this is part 2. And wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are, and with.
In case I don't see you will.
Yeah. So this is from a lovely seller. This is actually part 1 of 2, because I got so much from her that she split the box, split the order into 2. So this is a Columbia. I bought in good used condition, which is like a little bit grubby, but you know, who cares? Well, it just kind of tells people you've had it a little longer, and you know, you do shit in it. It's a work clothes essentially, camping, hiking, and etc. So this is supposed to be a large. It doesn't look large. Their sizes are weird. Anyways, that's too small for my aunt, so I'll probably keep it for myself since we are in a very cold climate here. We are in a, what would we call it, subarctic. Minus 20 to minus 40 is not an unheard of thing. In fact, it's pretty common.
What do we got there?
So this is a pair of youth snow pants, and they are size 14 to 16, I think. So they're a bit too big for my son, but I can possibly wear them. Yeah, 14 to 16, but I might be able to wear them for a while. Because,
cool.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, here we go. This is a birthday gift for Mr.
Happy birthday.
These are called Allbird. They are, yes. He was saying that his shoes were wearing out because he wears them all the time. He runs everywhere. No, come on, it's a Ziploc.
You say tomato, I say tomato.
I say Ziploc.
This is a lot of data.
Yeah.
Shoes, I bet. Wow, could you imagine all the bits and bytes that went into making these possible, Sarah?
A lot. Including the sheep. That brought to you by the sheep. Here, I grabbed the other end. Woohoo!
Teamwork.
There you go. These are wool. My other partner has
wow.
How many pairs? Has had 2 pairs of these. Yes, they're size 13. So they fit you.
Can I say this? But at the gym,
yes.
That track for running on.
Yeah.
It's dangerous, by the way.
What track for running on at the gym?
There's a race running machine upstairs.
Oh, okay. There's a clip thing, right?
Started making a funny sound today.
Okay, so maybe we should probably look at that.
Yeah, it's a little.
I wondered what that sound was.
These shoes are weak.
They are wool, so they will keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer, and you can wear them barefooted or with socks.
Yeah.
And if you get them wet, that's okay because they're wool, so they're antimicrobial naturally, and they're also. I'm trying to describe the shoes for our ladies and gentlemen. If they have any wonder, Albrights are wonderful shoes, even as hand-me-downs.
All that real chill.
Here, you try those on, sir. You can do barefoot. We're trying to empty the box, sir.
Cross over my legs when I'm real chill like this, and then cross over when I wait for the train. And
so,
step up my toes,
moving right along.
There we go.
Moving right along.
Church.
This is a shirt from my auntie. Try those on. This is a shirt from my auntie. Yes, I think she'll like that.
It's new and improved static on your television way back in the day, but now you can get this stuff
pixels
from a closet.
Yeah, if you ever get really close to the screen, it looks kind of like that. You're right.
You get real close because you're 5 years old and you're investigating the nature of reality. You got codes and rods too. TV thinks like you. It just gets all colorful when you get too close to it.
There is a shirt.
Don't tell me that wasn't funny.
Yeah, I wasn't listening, sorry. I have to refresh my memory. And this is a shirt for somebody over here. There we go. It's model hands. You gotta work on the listen, sir, you have to work on your hand cleanliness if you're gonna be a hand model. That's for you, sir. And this shirt is for my dad, since we need to get new clothes for everybody. My dad has a lot of stained clothes.
Yes, crucify them with hangers.
If they don't hang their clothes up and they get stains on them, there could be trouble. I'm just saying.
There you go.
So that is for my dad. I'll put that there. And this,
don't point it through.
I don't know who this is for.
Hey,
I thought it was funny because after I purchased it, I realized it had rhinestones on it and not, what do you call those, the reflective stripes, but it is size
Sarah was hungry,
6X.
she thought there was going to be pig grinds on this.
It's pig rinds. No, I thought it was this. I thought it was this. You're silly.
Sir, you can't eat that. Come on, let's get on with the show. She's going nuts here. We're going to work on some clothes here.
So this is for my aunt.
She paid for.
Yes, that I paid for.
She paid for it herself.
This is
Can
from...
you notice a grown woman paid for the Hockey Talkie Man to do this video right now.
So strange.
Don't break my heart.
So this is from Land's End, a really good company, as far as I can tell. My dad, I bought him a red and black reversible, but this one doesn't have a hood. His has a hood.
Woo! Cooking some eggs.
Oh my lord.
That's my player.
So, oh, it did have a hood.
The egg you made your father. Dad, you grew
How
up
am I
in your
supposed to do
bed.
So, this is for my aunt. Hopefully it will fit her, and if not, I will probably use it for myself. This is Goose Down. I think polyester. There's the brand. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully this one will fit her, because the other one... And then there is a pair of snow pants. These ones are Gore-Tex, and I love me some Gore-Tex. Yes.
Ooh.
These are for me.
Nice. Good.
Yes. Gore-Tex is a fabulous product. Or I should say material. This would be the Gore-Tex here, and then this is the lining. Usually the more expensive Gore-Tex it's self-backed and has sort of a woven layer. The middle layer is actually Teflon, and then it's melded to usually polyester or acrylic. I think it's pretty sure this is polyester, and it usually comes as ripstop, or this is not ripstop, but this is more like, at least this looks like ripstop, but I don't think it is. But it has that pattern like a tent. So yes, so that's for me. Now I have a proper size pair of pants. My other you doing that? My other pair of snow pants are actually also a kid's pair that don't quite fit in the leg. So this is going to be a backup pair for my son and a pair for me in the meantime.
That's the box.
Yeah. Nope, not yet. And there's the Gore-Tex. Can't wait to try that on later.
Yes. See?
It's
bubble wrap. It's for incredibly intelligent human beings. After they're born, they're given this. Mm-hmm. And if they can figure out what it's actually for, well,
bubble wrap is stress relief.
Would know. Anyway, moving on. Yeah. This is an object, obviously. Now I will close my eyes now and really try to understand what it is. Let's be real.
Well, while you figure that out, I will tell the audience that this is from Kay's. I have a number of products from this company, including another purse, bag, and I think I have a
extra size
luggage. No, I have a luggage scale thing that you put in your hand like this, and there's a hook on it, and I'm not trying to give anybody the finger, but yes, you can demonstrate. And then it weighs the luggage.
Oh,
so this is one of those.
But this stuff could make someone happy. Like, who is this for, Sarah? Who's going to be happy when they
This
travel?
is going to be in my stockpile for Airbnb. Could be a gift or an item for somebody to buy, since we will be dealing with a lot of travelers.
Now, this message will self-destruct after you read it. So
I hope not.
Get over there in the corner, it will burn near the concrete.
No, near the poopy smell that happens every time somebody flushes the toilet. I wonder.
It's a tight little hole
if there's anyone in the audience who is a plumber, could you tell me if that's okay? It's kind of unnerving. So this says, "Thank you for your purchase. No problem, seller. I love your stuff. Did you mix?" Oh, I did mix up the items into order to make them more even. Yeah, that's fine. No problem. Hope that worked. Yeah, totally cool. Sheila, I bought a lot of stuff. So as I was just touched on before.
So just so you know, Sarah is really important.
Mm-hmm. This person right here is very interesting.
Lightsabers, huh?
And he's very, very. You're distracting me, sir.
I'm an empath. Of course I do things like that. That's what I'm here for. I'm thinking about you all the time before I even get to know you, and then I love you.
David is somebody that
Wait a minute. Go back to tape.
A very interesting life with so far.
Huh?
Oh. And it's been very interesting and fun. Some of it's not so fun, but it is good.
Happy birthday to me.
Yes, happy birthday to you. And so that is the end of the box.
Now I'm going to jump for Jesus.
Hope you enjoy your shoes, honey.
Oh.
Well, you're supposed to try them on.
Oh.
This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a Poshmark unboxing of a number of wonderful items. And a very interesting companion named David. David, you can find him on his YouTube account, which is what? David, graphic artist Harry McCready, or what is your, sir, what, what is your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel? My actual YouTube?
Yes.
The real thing?
This is him. You'll see his art.
Actual YouTube experience?
I'm running out of space,
the
David.
unbelievably unknown thing nobody can mastermind because it's just YouTube.
Okay, so this is...
It's David, graphic artist Harry McCready.
There we go. And you can also find his amazing art on his Facebook page, which would still be Harry David McCready. Yes. And... check out his amazing art. I will probably post one of my favorite ones out of his page in the descriptions. Hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous.